Again, a fairly straightforward problem. Let's write it down. So I'm going to, whoops, got to get my pen out first, right? So I'm going to claim that I don't know x is a factor plus b over x minus 3 is a factor plus c x minus 3 squared is a factor. And then what I'm going to do is multiply, what I've always done, multiply both sides by the LCD. Fairly simple to do. What do you get? 4x squared minus 22x plus 63 equals, well, then what are you going to get? You're going to get a times x minus 3 squared plus bx x minus 3 plus cx. Then you're going to pick a number that you find easy to deal with. And my understanding of easy is to get things to disappear, like either the A to disappear, the B to disappear, the C to disappear. Sure, it would be nice to get two things to disappear. And a way to do that is simply say x equals 0. Then B and C will both disappear. What are you left off with? 63. And I got to be careful over here. That's going to be 9a, right? And again, the B term, the C term is going to disappear because x is 0. When 0 times anything is going to be 0. Looks pretty simple. A is 7. All right, let me go back up here and get my eraser out now. And I'm pretty comfortable that A is 7. Could you made a mistake, of course. And while I'm at it, I'm going to erase this A too and put a 7 down too. All right, so now what I'm going to do? I'm going to pick another easy value, and I'm going to pick 3. Now, of course, some of it is not easy. You're right about that. It's some arithmetic's involved over here, and I got to do it. And so 3, the first term would disappear, the second term would disappear, and then you're going to get 3c. I got to do the other side down. It does take work, so it's going to be 4 times 9. Go down the side, 36. Again, x is 3, minus 66, plus 63. And that's going to be 33. Let me just make sure that's true. Yeah, 33. So what does that say? It says C is 11. All right? Relatively simple. I'm going to erase my C now. I'll erase my C over here too, right? I can put 11 down. All right, someone says, what are you going to do now? I'm going to pick another easy value. And someone says, what's that easy value going to pick? Well, let's try 1. By the way, 0 and 3 were super simple, and the reason that the things disappeared. But if you choose 1, let me get my eraser right over here. More difficult. There's no doubt about it. You're going to get what? 4 minus 22 plus 63. Let's see, that would give you 45. Let me make sure that's true. Let's see, 41. Yeah, 45. I got to do the other side. And again, I said 1. So what are you going to get? Well, let's take a look at it. You're going to get, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. And again, I'm plugging in here. I hope that's clear from the get-go. We've been doing this all the time. So what do you get over there? Well, you get 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. That's 4. 4 times 7 is 28. So I'm going to write down 28. And then what do I get? We get minus 2 times 1, so minus 2b. And then you're going to get 11. Well, it's an equation of one unknown. I think I can figure out pretty easily, but let's be careful. 45, 28, and 11 is going to be 39 minus 2b. Oh boy, I got to subtract 39 from both sides, and you can get 6 equals minus 2b. And then b is going to be equal to minus 3. Well, let me get my eraser out, and I think I'm there. I think I know my answer now. I'm going to commit to this. Now, I commit to a lot of things that are incorrect, but I want to see if I got it correct. And we have a key, and the reason we give you a key, I guess to speed the process up, right? Now, by the way, I'm the one who designed the key. You might say, oh, no, your key is all wrong. All right? Good job. Do I check my key? I can't remember. Yes, if I check that. What does check mean? Add those 3 fractions together and see if it gives me back what I expect to get, which is this thing over here. I don't know if I checked it, but I'm pretty sure that this really did go quite simply forward. Thank you.